Hello dear Goenkans. Today our topic is from the chapter number 5, Advanced Feature of Excel's Charts. So, we all know that chart is basically a way to display data in a pictorial form, in a graphical representation. In Excel, we have different types of charts that most commonly used charts are column, bar, line, pie. And it's, let me tell you one thing, it's quite simple to create a chart in Excel. There are only few steps by which you can create a chart in Excel. So let's just start. Before creating chart, we have to first select the data. As you all can see, I have already a worksheet in front of screen where I have written sales executives monthly sales. So we'll be choosing these, or we can just choose, let's just delete this, let's just hide this. No, let's just delete this month. We'll choose sales executive and their sales. So this is the name and their sales for the month of let it be for the month of March. While selecting the data, we have to be sure that we are selecting all the ranges that we want in the chart. Now we have to go into the insert tab. There we can see a chart group. In this chart group we can see different types of chart, as I already told you. So we'll be selecting column. Then when we click on the column, a drop down menu appears where you can see all different types of charts. We can do 2D column, 3D column, cylinders, whatever you want. So why I have clicked on one and the chart is here. We can also move it. What we have to do is we have to click on the border line and then we have to drag it wherever we want to drag it. So this is how we can add a chart in our Excel worksheet. Whenever a chart appears on your worksheet, it basically comes with the three tabs. As you all can see on the tab line, we have design, layout and format. These three tabs comes with the charts. Basically what these three tabs contain, it contains all the options for editing and formatting the chart. So let's just, if we all can see, we in the design tab. So we have chart layout where we can change the layout of the chart. Say for example I want it like this. So if you all can see, the layout has been changed. Now we have chart style where we can change the style of the chart, as you all can see. Or let's just so this is how it is. Move chart, we can also move our chart from one location to other, wherever you want to move it. Or I'm just right clicking on it and I'm moving it. Now the next option is layout. In the layout option, if you all can see, we have different things. We have first the chart area. We have these are the different areas of our chart. We have chart areas that include all the objects and the elements that are present in the chart. So this is chart area, this whole white screen, if you all can see. Then we have category axes. As we all know, in a graph, in a chart, we have two axes. One is x-axis and one is x-axis, that we call as category axis, and one is y-axis, we call that value axis. That is the vertical one, values, and x-axis are the titles. Now let's just see. We have a chart title where, with the help of chart title, we can give a title name to our chart. We already have a chart title name here, sales. So I'll just write here March sales, March month sales, which makes it clear that these sales are belong to the March month. Then we have axis title, where we have horizontal axis title and vertical axis title. Let's just name the horizontal axis title. We'll just write it. We don't want to format the title, we just want to name it. Sorry, just a second, I'm just redoing my whatever I have done. Just one step again, redo. Okay, now we'll just write the name, whatever you want to write. We'll write sales person. So here we have salesperson's name and here we have sales amount. Again, we don't want to format it, as I'm double clicking in it, so I am getting the format option. You don't have to double click, we'll just single click amount, sales amount. We'll just write sales amount. So this was how what options we have in the layout. So this is chart wall, where we can either allow to show the clear the chart wall file. So these are the options that we have. This is for today. Thank you and take care.